Hello, dear friend. This is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for You. In today's video, we will learn about a very good, very important uninstaller. Ultimately, I found the best uninstallers one day ago, and this is one of the best uninstaller and better than the pad, Revo uninstallers, CC cleaners, and other uninstallers I have used, and it's so amazing, fantastic software. This is totally open source software, dear friend. You know, in Windows 10 and 11, the uninstaller program, the default uninstaller of Windows 10 and 11 is not good, and after installing the file, a lots of residuals remaining files remains in our C drives, and these files run in our background in our computer, and we don't know, and they make our computer very slowly. So it's very important to download and use such a fantastic uninstallers. You know, the role of uninstaller is very important. So without it, you can't run your computer smoothly and fast. This is actually the role of this is the open source and free, and one of the best, better than any pad softwares. It uninstall all residuals remaining files after installing the programs, and very good, dear friend. Listen this class till the end, don't miss any steps. All steps are important here, because all steps you have to go follow, and once you learn this software, so you don't have to pay anything, and your computer will run so fast, so good, you can't imagine, dear friend. I have used, that's why today I am showing you this fantastic uninstaller, this software. Dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your one subscription gives me a lot of motivation to make more tutorial for you. Without wasting time, let's jump in on into the store. Hello, dear friend. For this fantastic uninstaller, you have to come here on Google. You have to write here. You see bulk uninstaller. You see here. You can find this on Force Hub. This is all the official website here. This is no problem. You can freely download without fear. Understand? Here you can download on SourceForge also. I downloaded from here, and this is a phone you can download from on GitHub. You know, GitHub is a respected site for this all open source software. Here you can read about this software. This is fantastic. And before this, I have used Revo uninstaller and CC cleaner. So all those are bad, and some of the premium feature like force uninstall are bad there. But here, all these features are totally free, and this is from here you can donate. You can click here. Here you can read more about this and the development process of this. This software is being run by a Polish developers, and very nowadays lots of people are using this software. And we come here and we will download. Download is not a problem. You see how you can read about this software. What's this bulk crap uninstaller? Bulk crap uninstaller is a free, program installer with advanced automations. I have already downloaded. You will click here. You can download. Download is not the problem. Now we come to our desktop to run this software here. I have this software here. You see, I use every day because I have to download and uninstall lots of softwares and explain about those softwares. But some of these residuals remaining files remain, and it's very harmful for my computer. My computer becomes slow, and the performance become bad. And Windows uninstaller is not successful to remove all things, and manually it takes a lot of time. We come here, you see, we'll double click. Yes, run at administrator. You see, it's scanning our all the here. It's scanning. You see, now you see here. Actually, this is the interface when you open this software. You see here, this is the reload uninstaller. It will reload it. When you open this, it will be complicated, but it looks complicated, but this software is not complicated. You have to understand 1 or 2 hours give time, and you will understand everything. So, files. Here is a file. Here you can view. There are lots of view. You can show toolbar, show a tree map, so setting sidebars. These are all setting. Use system themes from here. You can change system themes here from here. File, log, quick filters here. Basic operation. You see, this is a basic operation. This is the uninstall file advanced. You see, this is advanced option from here. This is a tool from here. You can open a startup manager. You can open from here, and it will show which type of file is running your here. And yes, you can unclick from here. You can you see open, run on command, create backup, delete from here. You can directly delete if you don't want that file directly from here. You can delete. It's so comfortable. You come, for example, I don't for example, I want to delete here. I can create a backup before deleting, and I click here, and it will delete. Open file link location. It will open location from here where it's actually. It will open the link location where it is actually located. See here all task managers or everything is present here. We'll just close here, and publishers size. You can know file size, and uninstall about URL. You can know about the URL, which is the URL you can directly search on internet. From here, open in web page, you can know which type of file is it. You see, now it's opening this file, and I could know here this is actually a file, this is a software. It's very convenient. You can know this software is a harmful or a virus, some type of virus. You can directly delete from here. It's a important install source. From here you can know the source. We maximize. You can, this is postal code, this is a registry key actually, which will be very difficult to uninstall. You can know everything in detail about this in this software. Once I want to show you, I have Revo uninstaller. I was using before. This Revo installer is a pad, but some features are, this is a Revo uninstaller here. And then we come here, I want to show you a file which Revo installer couldn't identify, couldn't delete. And but when I downloaded Bulk Crap Uninstaller, that file was available here. I just show you here. We come here. You see, I deleted some 4 months ago this A Power Recon. This is the paid software I am using, OBS Studio. That's why I deleted it. But it's showing in Bulk Crap that this file is available. I searched and I found that this file is available in our system. We come here. From here you can search here. You can know the property. This is the property. It's available in our computer here actually. Our CA power rake here in our Revo uninstaller is open. You see, it couldn't identify, couldn't find actually A power. You see A power. You see it can't recognize actually. That's why I installed this bulk crap uninstaller. It's a very trustworthy software. For example, you see Prism Live here. I deleted, but it still remain in our system here. You can find this actually. Delete registry entry was not deleted. You so see property. You can find this property here. It means it's available in my computer. But here it couldn't search actually, and Windows couldn't delete everything. It means Windows uninstall program doesn't work properly. That's why this open source is very trustworthy. Now I'm deleting this A Power Prism Studio here. You see this. Now I will click here and uninstall because here it couldn't find actually. I have actually here, you see, I have CC Cleaner. This is paired software. It's also not unable to find. Here custom help. This is options paired custom cleaners, and it couldn't find its paired software I downloaded, but it's not so good like this bulk crap installer. It also can't find. There is not such features here available. So I need to uninstall this program. We will come here and uninstall here. You see, I am uninstalling this program. You see, A Power Recording. This is a recording software. I want to uninstall. It's confirming. You confirm that everything below is safe to uninstall. I confirm yes. Everything I continue because I want to install this totally from my computer. I will click here continue. I will click here. You see everything disable. You read properly, prevent system shutdown, restart. Okay, it's okay. Everything is okay for me. I will just click here. Now you please make sure the following information is correct before starting the installation. This is the last chance. You telling last chance because I want to totally uninstall and begin uninstallation. I will click yes. Totally everything is okay. You see creating a restore point. It's totally uninstalling the file from our system. You see now it's a pop-up that come. You see here you see actually the delete A Power recording. I want to record, delete everything. This file, you see so much files have remained in our computer for 6 months. I couldn't know actually these files are still in our computer, and only this software could know, and this is free don't so we can use it. Delete everything. It's totally deleted here. Now it's showing you uninstall A Power Bark. Yes, I will put PC to sleep when done. Okay, it's no problem. Close it. You see now putting PC to sleep. You can click here, and otherwise just here it will be here. And now run uninstaller. Now run uninstalling everything. And in this way, you see selected uninstaller will be executed. Already task finished. Mean it has totally uninstalled our from our C drive this A Power software. A Power. Now we will just click here. It's okay. We will click skip because it has already finished job. Okay, so task has actually finished, and we can close here. So okay, do you want to look for leftover from the yes? No, it's searching for leftover. Still, there are you see still in our file. These are the leftovers are these are remain files. You can check the paths from here. Delete selected. No, I will delete selected. Just click. No, do you want to create a registry backup before continuing? We don't create. You see, in this way, totally it has uninstalled. You see, searching and scanning for files. It's a truly working. It's a truly removing. But in here, this is a pair program, Revo uninstaller. It was not uninstalling totally. In this way, Revo also uninstall my Prism Lives. But here I see lots of files still remain. You know, Prism Live is the just like OBS Studio recording software. It's just showing in our this Bulk Crap uninstaller. This file is still in your our C drive. Means for half a year I couldn't know, and it was running in our background. You see this Prism lens, and it's a good that this software deleted all the related files. file, and it warns you before deleting it. You want to delete, there are several type of pop-ups before deleting, and you see here a power mirror setting is also this. No, I want to uninstall this. I will just click here, see drive, continue. Yes, yes, continue. I have to install, begin uninstalling. You see it's uninstalling all the file related to this. See, once you download any software, so there are lots of there. You see here there delete. Do you want to please select which you I want to delete all are selected. I will delete here. So it has a task finished now. I will close our computer from here. No, do you want to look for leftovers? Even our installing some registry file, leftover remains. So remember choice here. Yes, you can click remember choice. No, it's searching. You see these are. I want to delete here also all. Select. It's a so fantastic, dear friend. This software. You can't forget this. Create. Do you want to create a backup point? No, I don't create. I don't need this software actually. From our computer, it's a totally finished. In the same way, I want to. You see scanning again. It's a good, dear friend. Good. I can't imagine. I came to know after so many years. That's why I want to. If inform you, dear friend, about this software. If you think this tutorial is helpful for you, dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channel. So you will listen and know get knowledge, and that when you don't subscribe, it's not justified, dear friend. Subscribe for my moral, just for my moral boost and inspiration. Dear. Your one subscription inspires me a lot to make more such type of tutorial. Now we come here. We have one more software which this couldn't delete our this. Revo uninstall and CC cleaner couldn't work properly, and we will come here. You see prism lens. I will delete it. You can delete manually. Come here and uninstall. We can where this is not uninstall option. Here we will click here manually. Now searching for leftovers. You see these current key, their port keys, some settings remain. I want to delete this. You see after deleting file last time, don't create because registry. In this way you can use this software. It has deleted so many. It's so convenient, very good software there. You have to know there are lots of settings. I will still I will explore all of setting because I came to know I was using this Revo installer for several years, and yesterday I came to know about this software. Here you can check for update. It will checking current version is up to date from here. You can change the themes from here. You know about software, about reset setting. You can set to factory setting and start setup wizard from here. You can do lots of things there. So this was actually tutorial for this, dear friend, and use this software. I will put the link in our description box. Once you learn, you will always it will be in my computer now, dear friend. I will delete this Revo uninstaller and CC cleaner. I don't need. See, this is the Bulk Crap Uninstaller. It's totally free. That's why we should donate it, dear friend. If we use this, it's so helpful. It saves a lots of time. And you see here, this is Revo uninstaller. This is a free which is not working properly. You see, force uninstall. In the here you can forcibly uninstall your file from here. Any type of software you don't want, you can here forcefully uninstall in this software. So when you come here for this Revo uninstaller, you have to pay for any program which is not being uninstalled. You have to forcefully uninstall. You have to pay here. This is a That's why this is paid software. You see here free trial. After you have to pay $29 buy now, and CC Killner you have to you see program for this is a purchasing program. You can see here you have to buy here. But here you have to nothing. You have to pay nothing here for this. That's why I recommend this software and donate $2-3 here. You see, it's so costly and working better than this software. So, dear friend. Hello, dear friend. We have learned how to use this fantastic software Bulk Crap Uninstaller. It's better than Revo and UCCC Cleaner and other pad softwares, and totally free. You can donate, dear friend. If you want to learn video editing software or other software and Kden Live, DaVinci Resolve, you can join our tutorial. There are lots of playlists on our channel. Go and see there. Write suggestion, comment which type of tutorial do you want, and share these channels to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial, dear friend. Like, share, comment, and subscribe the channel for motivation. Your one subscription gives me a lot of motivation. It doesn't harm you, but it helps me a lot to grow on YouTube, dear friends. Take care. Bye. We meet in the next class.